Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pickled jalapenos at home. We'll start by gathering all your ingredients and sterilizing your jars. Then, we'll prepare the jalapenos by slicing them into perfect rounds. This simple process ensures your pickled jalapenos are safe and incredibly tasty, ready to spice up any meal. Let's get started. Next, we'll create the flavorful brine that transforms your jalapenos. Combine white vinegar, water, salt, and sugar in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. While the brine heats, carefully pack your sliced jalapenos into the clean, sterilized jars. Make sure they are packed snugly but not overly compressed. This step is crucial for maximum flavor absorption. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, just like perfectly pickled jalapenos, some things are just built to last. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, carefully pour the hot brine over the packed jalapenos, ensuring they are fully submerged. Use a chopstick or knife to release any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims clean, then secure the lids and rings. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to create a vacuum seal. This ensures long-term freshness and safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.